For this next section, we're looking at section 2 in your workbook, question 6, and we're trying to solve when the equation has a radical expression, such as the root x plus 7. So what we have to do is we have to isolate it so that we can take the powers. So the first step would move this over, and we would have root x plus 7 becomes equal to x minus 5. To make the root disappear, what we'll have to do is square both sides. And on squaring both sides, what we would get is x plus 7, and you should know your trinomial square. This will give you x squared minus 10x plus 25. We then have to group terms so that we end up with a quadratic. And by grouping terms, in this particular case, I'm going to move x plus 7 to the right side and distribute so that we have x squared minus 11x. When the 5 comes over, it becomes positive 18 is equal to 0. We now have to figure out how to get our solution. Now, as we said in our last module, this becomes the sum and product method. What two numbers, when multiplied, can give us positive 18, but when added will make minus 11. I'll let you think about that for a second. And the choices would be x minus 2 times x minus 9 is equal to 0. Once we have that, you can resolve for the solution, and that gives you the two answers that x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to positive 9. And you have your answer.